Hello, y'all. It's Renee from 9B Florida Panhandle, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be putting together a rolling shelf cart that I can put some of my outdoor plants on. So when I leave to work in the morning, I can roll them out and allow them to soak in the sun. It was in the 30s today down in Florida where I'm at, and it was quite cold. But now it has warmed up quite a bit, and wearing a sweater and a shirt has definitely be just right for this time of day in the afternoon in beautiful Florida. So let's go ahead and get that cart put together so I don't have to keep moving plants back and forth, just because it's going to be kind of a cold night. Okay, so this was an Amazon Basics 5-shelf cart with wheels. It came in a plastic coating, or you can get the silver chrome, which makes no sense for me since I'm going to be watering my plants with it. I don't need the rust. No, sir. No, thank you. We actually put one of these together for houseplants. I'm not a houseplant person. My daughter was the houseplant person, but she has now gone on and she's into other things, so she has gifted them to me. And I don't want to see anything die, so I'm definitely going to try to keep those alive and maybe sell one or two on Etsy. Yeah, that might be a good idea. Here I am. I'm going to be putting this baby together, and I'm really looking forward to getting those house plants off the floor. And I'm able to wheel them out and get some sunshine, especially on 60-degree day weather like we've been having lately. It just makes sense. right, so I've got the shelf all put together. I have all the plants that I was bringing inside and outside, except for a couple big ones. That shouldn't be any problem for me to bring in and out as need be, instead of me bringing 30 pots in and out as necessary. I have room even for a few more. Oh, I have room for a few more. Nice. Do I need an excuse? I have one now. So I look forward to us doing more gardening adventures in the next video. I hope y'all are able to get out and make something beautiful in your world today. And bye, y'all. Today's rose is the Lady Gardener. I can't wait to get her in my garden. She's supposed to be a large shrub, 4.5 by about 4 feet. Her blossoms have about 65 petals, and she's a repeat bloomer. It's that beautiful shade of apricot, but the scent, oh my goodness, it's supposed to be tea with hints of cedar and vanilla.